75 years ago, Soviet soldiers liberated the Auschwitz-Birkenau complex, where they found about 7,000 desperately ill and emaciated prisoners and 600 corpses. They also found 370,000 men's suits, 837,000 items of women's clothing, and 7.7 tons of human hair. 1.3 million men, women, and children were sent to the Auschwitz-Birkenau complex. Of those, 1.1 million were killed, most gassed to the death, the rest succumbing to illness, starvation, individual executions, and medical experiments. Of that number, 960,000 were Jews, the remainder comprised non-Jewish Poles, Soviet prisoners of war. It is estimated that 5.5 to 6 million Jews were killed during the Holocaust. Nazi desired to erase completely a people from the face of this earth, purely because of their religion. The young and the able-bodied were sent to work. Young children and their mothers and the old and infirm were sent directly to the gas chambers. Thousands of prisoners were also selected by the camp doctor, Josef Mengele, for medical experiments. Between May 15 and July 9, 1944, some 438,000 Hungarian Jews were shipped on 147 trains to Birkenau, stretching the camp's resources for killing beyond all limits. Because the crematoria were overcrowded, bodies were burned in pyres, fueled partly by the victims' own fat. Although the Germans destroyed parts of the camps before abandoning them in 1945, much of Auschwitz I and Auschwitz II remained intact and were later converted into a museum and memorial.